All right, guys, not my usual type of content, and I'm sorry for the background noise, but there's been a lot of talk lately about changes to the indefinite leave to remain here in the UK, and many people are worried, asking, can they really take away my indefinite leave to remain? So let's talk about what's true, what's just rumors, and what you should be careful about actually. So what's the law? What does the law says as for right now? What's happening right now? If you already have indefinite leave to remain, your status is secure, but it's not completely untouchable. So under the current law, the Home Office can revoke your indefinite leave to remain only in very specific cases. Cases such as serious criminal offenses that make someone liable for deportation, or if your indefinite leave to remain was obtained by deception or fraud, that's also a case where they would revoke it. Or if a person stays outside the UK for over 2 years and loses it automatically. So yes, it can be revoked, but only in serious and exceptional circumstances. Okay, so what's being proposed right now? The government is discussing a new contribution-based settlement system, which there's nothing wrong with that, obviously. But that means that in the future, people might have to show they have been contributing to the UK through taxes, work, or community life to qualify for the indefinite leave to remain. And some politicians are even suggesting longer qualifying periods, from 5 years to 10 years. But, and this is important, these are proposals, not laws, not yet. And so far, the government has said the new rules would apply mainly to new applicants, not people who already have indefinite leave to remain. If you are on benefits, what happens? So some people are asking, what if I'm on benefits? Could that affect me? Well, if you are able to work and currently depend on benefits, you still have time to change that. You still have time to show you are contributing before any new law is introduced. Remember, nothing has changed just yet. But being proactive is always wise, of course. Now, another thing I want to say is be aware of scammers and fraudsters. Unfortunately, moments like these attract the wrong people, and we saw the same thing during the Brexit, when many desperate individuals were tricked by fake agents who forged documents. I've seen it myself. They forged documents and promised them settlement, even when they didn't qualify for. Today, the same thing is happening again. Some fraudsters are spreading lies saying heaven's indefinite leave to remain will be revoked. That was never said. So they're telling people that hurry and apply for British citizenship before it's too late. Yes, if you want to apply for British citizenship, by no means, just go ahead and do that. But the law doesn't quite work like that. That's not how it works. Citizenship is not an automatic upgrade, and applying through the wrong means can make your situation worse, not better. We know that what happened during the Brexit is there's a few people who are still living in the limbo because the Home Office is not giving them the settlement because they do not qualify for it, but they're still there waiting for the final say from the Home Office. So it's a very uncomfortable situation to live right now. And I know quite a few people that live in that situation right now. So what I want to say is stay calm, stay informed. Don't rush into paying anyone who promises miracles. Always check the official gov.uk sources or get advice from a qualified immigration advisor before making any decision, guys. Do not allow these people to trick you and to make you do things that you wouldn't do otherwise if you're not scared. So don't make these people work on your fears and make you pay and make you do crazy stuff, okay? Because that's not the case just yet. And please share this video so others don't fall for the same scams, okay? Let's help each other stay safe and protected.